Can we practice Arabic now?
Of course, let's do it. Whether you want to practice speaking, listening, or have some phrases in mind, I'm here. What would you like us to start with in Arabic today?
صباح الخير صباح النور. شو أنت تعملي في المطبخ؟ أم حضر أخوي في ماي صحنة؟ إيه على طاولة. اليوم عندك شغل؟ Is that right? عندك شغل.
Yes, that was right. عندك شغل means do you have work? You're doing well. Keep going.
عفوا عندك شغل. إيه لازم نروح على شغل بكير. شغلك بعيد عن البيت.
Yes, that was correct. You're doing great. Now, if you want, we can shift to the next section or review any detail you'd like.
Could you read that for me one time?
Of course, I'll read it naturally. شغلك بعيد عن البيت.
No, from the beginning, from the beginning.
Ah, got it. I'll read the whole right side smoothly. صباح الخير. صباح النور. شو عم تعمل بالمطبخ؟ عم حضر قهوة. في مي سخنة. ايه على الطاولة. اليوم عندك شغل. ايه لازم روح على الشغل بكير. شغلك بعيد عن البيت. يمكن الأردن.
Okay, that was very good. Should we go to the next line? ليش بدك تروح البنك اليوم؟
You're doing great. Just a tiny tweak on تروح. Keep it smooth. But overall, you've nailed it. Let's keep going.
Okay, so ليش بدك تروح البنك اليوم؟
Perfect. That line was spot on now. I'm really happy with your progress. Just let me know when you're ready for the next bit.
Okay. بدي أحد صحني.
Nicely done. Just a tiny note. Ahud is said with that Kh sound. But overall, you've got the structure down. Let's keep the rhythm.
So could you repeat the sentence for me?
Sure, here it is. بدي آخد مصاري.
بدي أخذ مصاري.
Yes, exactly like that. You've got it. Let me know what's next.
مصاري الشغل.
You're spot on. That line was correct. Let's keep building. Just tell me the next piece when you're ready.
line بدي oh, I forgot this one. It's probably أدروخ.
No problem at all. It's أدفع. So the line would be لأني بدي أدفع أجار البيت. Let's give that a try.
أدفار البيت. لأنه بدي أدفار ugh. Come on, do it again, do it again. Repeat 2 times for me, and then I will carry on from that.
No worries at all. I'll repeat it twice for you. لأني بدي أدفع أجار البيت. لأني بدي أدفع أجار البيت.
لأني بدي أدفار أجار البيت. لأني بدي أدفار أجار البيت.
You nailed it. That sounded smooth. I'm really glad you took the time to repeat. Great job.
فهمتي. بدي الشغل شو بدك تتعلم.
You've got the structure. Just one little sound. شو بدك تعمل. Otherwise, you're right on track. Great job.
شو بدك تعمل.
Yes, exactly. You said it perfectly now. You're picking up the flow really well. Let's keep it going.
شو بدك تعلم. Okay. بدي
Exactly.
أرجع البيت وأتعلم عربي.
That was well done. You're linking everything together nicely. Let me know when you're ready to continue.
And then ليش تتعلم عربي كتير؟ لأنه بدي سفرة على بلد عربي. إي بلد يمكن الأردن.
You did great. The structure is all there and your effort is clear. I'm happy with how you're progressing. Well done.
Thank you so much. That was a hard job. Honestly, I am so happy learn Arabic, I'm not gonna say that it's an easy thing. It's not, but it's a beautiful journey. First, I'm using this book. Second, I'm coming to this one. I'm printing absolutely everything because for me it's so much better. This is 3 months of work, and I feel like that I've been progressing a lot. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very happy. My first letters, how ridiculous. Honestly, it was so bad. And that's how I would tell you to start from the alphabet. I start writing single words. Let me see what is written here. Shu Shumalak. Shumalak, habibi. Shumalak. Like, what is wrong with you? Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And this is a new YouTube channel. I don't know when you're watching, but this is new. And I will be sharing with you my journey learning Arabic. I also gonna share way more things. But subscribe and you will see. Okay? Thank you so much, and I see you.